Ew. Why is it so dark up here?
Because smart cats do not come here. A-H-H. Okay, just wind, right?
Yeah, wind with teeth.
Ooh, shiny thing.
No. No.
Not shiny, scary. Wow, it's kinda pretty. Or cursed. Big difference. Wait, did I just blink late? You're lagging in real life. Hey, stop copying me.
But that's my job.
What? Who said that?
That's not normal.
You think? Uh-oh. Ta-oh. Time to trade lives. Two of me? I always wanted a twin.
You'll regret that wish.
You're darker. Did you forget sunscreen? I don't need light. I am the dark. You're creepy.
You're weak.
You're both grounded. Ha! You glitched. I'm still learning your body. Gross.
Your world feels warm.
Yeah, now leave it. Gross. I need 9 lives for this mess. I need 9 lives for this mess. Wait, I can trap her back.
You? With your IQ of a fish stick?
Watch me. Okay, fine. Take my world. Finally. Reflection versus reflection. Let's see who wins.
Can't! Stop me! Now touch the mirror of souls.
Great advice, Grandma. 2 minutes late. No! Grab my tail! Did we survive? I think my soul needs a reboot.
Okay, maybe we move out of this house?
Next time you see shiny things, poke with stick first.
Or send you first.
Finally, peace. Miss me?